Perfect. So we built a little smokehouse here. You can see the foil right there. We have a rack of ribs on there sitting on, so the ribs are inside the foil sitting on top of carrots and onions. You just got a low and slow heat going, and hopefully with the little house over it, it's getting some of the smoke flavor there in the meat, and it should be quite delicious. This is going to be the first bit of telling. This is stage 1 complete. Look how moist that is. It doesn't even need more juices. Are we going to try to turn the meat over?
No. Just like this.
It's looking good already.
Yeah.
15-20 more minutes to go, and it's going to be perfect. Alright, and here we are with the meat done. We're just hitting this side with a little bit of the coals real quick. Perfect.
He's looking at